Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about health. Tsatsi jeno re tsile go bua ka botsogo. I hope that this lesson will give you some insights in the health department in Setswana. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Kokelo, kokelo, clinic. Sepatela, sepatela, hospital. Ngaka, ngaka, doctor. Dingaka, dingaka, doctors. Mooki, mooki, nurse. Baoki, baoki, nurses. Bolwetse, bolwetse, sickness. Ke a lwala, ke a lwala. I am sick. Ga ke ikutlwe sentle, ga ke ikutlwe sentle. I am not feeling well. Ke opiwa ke tlhogo, ke opiwa ke tlhogo. I have a headache. Ke tsewa ke sedidi, ke tsewa ke sedidi. I'm feeling dizzy. Matlho a me a baba, matlho a me a baba. My eyes are itchy. Ke ya kokelong, ke ya kokelong. I am going to the clinic. Thato ya sepateleng, Thato o ya sepateleng. Thato is going to the hospital. Thato o ile ngakeng, Thato o ile ngakeng. Thato went to see the doctor. Opa, opa, ache. Baba, baba, itch or itchy. Robega, Robega, broke. Roba or roba, break. Robegile, robegile, broken. Lwala, lwala, sick. Gotlhola, gotlhola, cough or coughing. Ruruga, ruruga, swell. Rurugile, rurugile, swollen. Botlhoko, botlhoko, painful or pain. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon on the live video because there's a lot to unpack from this upload. So stay tuned. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Until we meet again next time. Bye.